And once again, we are going to perform a free maps update in MMI MIB2 High system. So we can see that this vehicle has the 26/27 maps for Europe installed right now, and we are going to take it up a notch to the 27 maps which were just released for free, of course. Let me show you how to get to that screen. You want to go to the main menu with the menu button. Scroll all the way to the left to settings. Now use this button to open the left drawer. Go to system maintenance, version information, scroll down to navigation database, and you're at this screen. And if you want to check if your vehicle is equipped with a MIB2 High system, well, we are going to go to the hidden menu. So we are going to push this forward, pull this backward at the same time, like this. Keep it like that for a couple of seconds, and you will have this red engineering menu. And over here, let's go to version information. And we have the currently installed version, and the first part over here means that we have MIB High version, second generation. So this is MIB2 High. European and rest of the world version of the firmware for Audi 37 platform, and this is the version, actual version. But this is not important, so let's cover that. This is the important thing. We have MIB2 High. So right now we are going to prepare the free update on an SD card, and then I will show you how to trigger the update in the vehicle. It's pretty basic actually. All you need is an SD card connected through an SD card reader to a Mac or PC. You need to format that SD card with an FAT32 file system, and we want to go to the MIBhelper.com website. And from here you can enter your firmware version. So this is the thing that we just checked in the hidden red engineering menu. And when you press go, it will show you all the details about your unit. And when you scroll down to the section 3, we have link to Europe maps over here. 15 gigs, so it will take a lot of time, actually, 15 minutes or so. And when it's done, you will unzip it. And once it's unzipped, it will look like this folder, and inside you will have three things: metainfo2.txt and MIB1 and MIB2 folders. And you want to take those three things and copy them to the SD card. Nothing else, nothing less. Those three things are needed. And once you are done, you can take the SD card and go back to your car. So, ignition on, engine off, keys in the vehicle, and we don't want to disturb the process. So if you need to open your windows or something else, do it now before the update starts. We also want to turn off any unnecessary power draining things. So climatronic off, lights off, and we are going to take the card with the maps and put it over here in the glove box. There's a mine unit, so we are going to put this in the SD1 port, just like so. And now we are going to again enter the hidden red menu. So you know the combination: forward, backward. And this time we are going to select update, SD1. Give it a second. It's loading, but we already see that it recognized that there's a navigation update over here. Tick tock, tick tock. It takes a while, especially if the ignition was just turned on. Maybe not all of the components on the head units are already loaded, so it will take a little bit more time. Okay, we are selecting the standard update, again we have the spin wheel. Okay, scroll all the way down and you will see all the things that are not available in this update and things that are going to be updated with the Y for yes. And at the end of the list you have the start update button, so confirm it, start update, and right now all we have to do is wait. And the unit will reboot like 2 times. After the first reboot we will have like 45 minutes of waiting, and during this time update will copy all those maps to the internal storage of the unit. So when we are completely done we can remove the cart and we don't have to carry it with us over here in the vehicle anymore, and maps will be in the internal memory. Okay, so we have dark screen right now. Hopefully it will turn on in a couple of seconds. Yep, right now the unit is booting into the software update partition, so it's a different, much simpler version of the system which is responsible for the updates alone. So we don't have access to radio, to car settings and so on. We pretty much don't have access to anything over here. We can just watch and wait for the update to be performed. And while we are waiting, let me just tell you a couple more things. Oh, we can see that it's already starting, and there will be we will see different things that are installed while they are installed. Since the update will take about 45 minutes and we have the ignition on, it's a good idea to use an external power supply like we have over here to provide some extra power. So we need to provide extra amps for the vehicle to make sure that first of all the battery won't die, and second of all the update will not be interrupted by the voltage drop. So that's why we have this. Also notice that this map update is universal for all the MIB2 units, MIB2 High units. So if you have Audi, if you have Volkswagen, Skoda, Seat, Porsche, Bentley, MAN, Lamborghini, I'm not sure if Lamborghini came with MIB2 Highs. Either way, all those units are using the same update files, the same update procedure. So you can use the same update in all those vehicles, and some manufacturers like Volkswagen deliver those updates for free on their website, and some like Audi and Porsche are keeping them well behind a paywall. But still you can use files downloaded from the Volkswagen or Skoda website and install them in Audi, as we are doing right now. Okay, so there's no point of staring at the screen. I'll be back here in about 45 minutes. And we have this device summary, so we can see which components were updated and if it went okay. So navigation and all the components are okay, and at the end of the list we have resume, cancel version compare, and right now we are waiting for the final reboot. So right now, since we confirmed that the update is done, the unit will reboot into normal operation mode, and we should see new maps, fresh maps in a second. Okay, so the unit rebooted, so let's go to navigation and maps, and we have new maps. Same over here. Maps are working, so let's check if the version actually is okay. Once again, settings, left drawer, system maintenance, version information, and scroll down to navigation database. 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, and so on. So we can remove the update card and we can still enjoy fresh maps. And even though you are using most likely Google Maps through Android Auto or CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, you want those maps to stay to be up to date, because those maps are also used by the assistant camera that detects the road signs, and it works together with the navigation database, as well as some predictive functions like predictive cruise control or predictive lights. Those systems are also using data from the navigation to know what is in front of the vehicle. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and all the details are in the description below this video and on MIBhelper.com. See you soon.